You're watching the Steve's Haunted Yard channel. Get your haunt on.
Oh man, people, the wind is crazy right now. You can't really see the trees, but there's Ava's face. We're waiting on the school bus. And a whole bunch
You want some bubble gum?
No. A whole bunch of stuff is blown down and around. It's freaking me out.
Bubble gum.
Well, no. I can't see you, it's too dark.
You're mean.
That's on video now that you say it, I'm mean.
No.
Just because I said it's dark.
No.
So let me show your mom. So I normally weigh down the mausoleum, but I didn't because the weather's been pretty nice. So now it's freaking me out a little bit. So it actually broke. That tombstone is now broken because it blew over. So I don't know. Got to figure something out because now there's some lightning going on up there. It's like, no. Whew. All right, so crazy stuff. So the wind blew my cauldron creep over. Well, you can't see it here. Blew my cauldron creep over, and I guess it was on. Put everything in a bind. So it completely ripped out all the LED eye wires. It got caught somehow on this cord. Ripped the arm out. Like, tore his arm off. Freaking just really wreaked havoc on this bad boy. So I just took all his clothing off. Got to figure out how to fix this freaking thing and screw it together a little better and try to sturdy it up. And I guess I'll put a bunch of bricks on there. I may just not have this thing going until on Halloween night. So this thing I haven't fixed yet. And then his fire, I don't know if you can see this, but it's coming off. I might need to try to screw that in and glue that in there a little better. And the freaking arm even unscrewed itself off of here. I'm like, what the hell is going on around here? With your crazy Halloween yard. I saw Scuba Spooks crazy, like, hey, it won't stop raining. And it's like, yeah, same thing here. I mean, the wind is just ridiculous. The top of my crypt flipped off and broke my cool skull thing I had on top of there. Oh, some more of my cauldron creeps clothes. But I mean, I even had those bricks on it, and it still blew it over. So trying to fix some stuff as much as I can. All right, people. I think I got it fixed. Man, this thing was a mess. I literally had to use the heat gun and rebend some of the PVC. I made sure all the joints got screws into them that had come loose. Kind of had to re-zip tie a bunch of the lights. You know, you guys saw it took his clothes all the way off. I went ahead and did spray adhesive to stick that stuff down on there to where that stays kind of form-fitted on his head. And screwed the pole into the hand. I think he looks pretty good. What do you think, Cauldron Creep? I like you, buddy. What's in your pot? What's down there? Oh, that's what's in your pot. A spinny thingy. Awesome.
Please subscribe today.